Hey everyone, so I want to give a shout out to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for sending me this wig for my personal review. I'm going to do an unboxing and it has like some helpful tips on the inside. It comes with a wig cap, a headband, and then the wig itself. Alright, so straight out of the box, I noticed that this wig is very soft. There's no shedding here and it is very long on me. So this is the headband wig. It is 100% human hair. It's straight, 26 inches, 180 density, and the color is black. There are several combs inside as well as a strap from the headband itself, so this wig will be super secure on your head. So I'm going to start by just brushing my edges back. I actually don't want to apply any product to my hair today. I just pretty much want to leave it alone. I did do 2 braids in the back. I'm going to crisscross them and then put my wig cap on. I'm going to be wearing my own headband in this video, and I prefer to put it on before the wig because it just makes it a lot easier to put it on once the wig is on. So I'm just making sure that the hair is detangled, and I'm actually going to go through and curl this hair. It looks really good straight, but a lot of people want to know, like, how does the wig do with heat, or how does it look with curls? So this part right here, I'm actually just going to curl it. I will have time steps down in the bottom in case you like to skip around, but for now I'm just going to let you guys watch this part. Alright, so now that I have my hair curled, I'm just going to go in and make sure that the combs are inserted. I'm going to start with the back comb, and then I'm going to insert the combs toward the front. Once I've inserted all the combs, I'm just making sure that the headband strap is secure because that's the final step. Now, I do want to add, I added this screenshot to show you that you do not have to show your edges. You can actually wear this without showing your edges, which makes it awesome for a beginner. If you don't want to deal with your edges or make baby hairs, or if you don't want any of your hair showing, you can actually wear this without your edges showing. So here is the final look, you guys. I absolutely love this. It holds the curls beautifully. I think that the SHEIN wig is definitely worth it. It's not expensive at all. And with my coupon code, you can get even more off. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment box. I feel like this could be a great everyday wig, a workout wig, date night wig, literally leaving out the house to go somewhere and come back home wig. It definitely can fit any occasion that you need it to. This is one of the longest wigs I've ever had, because you guys know I love shoulder length or armpit length wigs. So this is like super cute, super feminine. I really like it. It's lightweight, it's breathable. Like, I just can't go on about the good things about this wig. Feel free to go on SHEIN and type in human hair wig so you can see the other options they have, just in case you're not interested in this option. And if you are interested in this, I'll have additional information down in the description box. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.